Hey folks, Danny Rosa here, broadcasting from my 1985 Oldsmobile Delta 88. And what we have here is an Alpine 7269 shaft radio that I found in a station wagon Delta 88 that was in a boneyard, and I was picking parts from it, and this thing was in there, and I picked this out of there, and I paid less than 20 bucks for this thing, because in the box that I had all the parts in, the guy just looked at it, was all these miscellaneous annoying parts that nobody knows how to price, and he's like, just give me 20 bucks for everything, and this thing was in it, and I didn't even realize what I got. You know, I knew Alpine was great, but I go online, these things are like selling for 200 bucks on eBay all day long. And it's a cassette player, and I went to Goodwill and bought a collection of 80s, early 80s cassette tapes, kind of just to give me some nostalgia here. That's the other reason why I like driving these cars. It brings me back to the 80s. I still haven't changed the speakers. It's still the original speakers. One of my speakers are blown here. But yeah, tape player works. Cool thing about this is, let's say if you're fast forwarding, let's say if you want to go to a different track or whatever, it goes to the radio station. Sorry. And you know, you can listen to it. Little funky jazz there. Yeah, but pretty cool stuff. All working, tape player works. Into it, man. Anyways, so this is my Alpine 7269 radio. Comment below. I don't know, what do you think? It's a radio, but it's pretty cool. Here it is. I'm playing with it. Right?
Oracle fact.
I missed. I